Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn what is dynamic custom audience in Facebook Ads Manager. Well, the Facebook custom audience is of two types. The first one is static custom audience and the another one is dynamic custom audience. What does dynamic custom audience means? Dynamic custom audience is the audience which constantly become part of your custom audience and automatically becomes part of your custom audience, right? It can be like Facebook page engagement, it could be like Instagram profile engagement, or it could be website visitors. It means the custom audience will keep getting updated, like new users will keep getting add-on in that particular custom audience frequently and automatically, right? That is you can say a dynamic custom audience. Whereas if I talk about the static custom audience, then if you upload a email list in custom audience, or you upload a phone number list in custom audience, that is a static custom audience, right? It means that custom audience would never get automatically updated, right, until unless you manually update that custom audience. If you don't add more phone numbers or emails in that custom audience, that custom audience is not going to update automatically. Whereas if you talk about the dynamic custom audience, it automatically gets updated because you are using metapixel, right? Like targeting people or creating custom audience of Facebook profile page engagement or Instagram profile engagement, or you are creating a custom audience of video views, and like your video is organically getting views and people are watching that particular video, and if they have watched that particular video for a certain time duration, then they automatically becomes part of your custom audience. Whereas if I talk about the static custom audience, then for example you have created a customer list custom audience, then you need to upload that custom audience. You need to add phone number or email manually in that particular custom audience, and that custom audience would never get automatically updated. So it is known as static custom audience. So it's all for now. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.